Hey guys, I want to get on here real quick and give a little update on my Black and Blue Salvia. So I have a video earlier on it. I brought them in because they don't overwinter my climate, but they're really easy to keep inside. As you can see, I had cut them down originally down to little twigs, stems right here. And this is all new growth in the span of about 2 months. It is a little bit leggy. That's what you're going to get inside when there's no sun, but it's doing super, super good. It's even putting on new growth right here. I love this annual. It does so well here. The hummingbirds absolutely love it, and that's one of my favorite things is they just go crazy over it. And hummingbirds, I don't know if you guys are like me, but they are my favorite bird. They are so beautiful and cute and dainty, and it brings me a lot of joy to see them in these bright blue flowers in the spring, or in the summer. But I'm really excited because this way I'm going to have a plant that's a lot more established, and I'm going to get blooms sooner than if I rebought the annuals in small little 4-inch containers. It's a great way to save money. This plant is just a beast. My cats have really enjoyed it also, and so it's surviving my cats. As you can see, they've kind of dug in and they've ripped a few things off. I've had to clean up some soil, so I know they can outlast my animals. I've only watered them maybe once a month. I let them get a little bit on the drier side and then I re-water. So they're super drought tolerant down here. This window is usually covered with blankets so my kids can play their video games at different times of the day. So I haven't taken down the blankets until just recently. So they haven't been getting a lot of bright light. It's cool down here, about 50 degrees to 55 to 60, depending on if I have the heater going on or not. But anyways, great plant to grow. It loves the high heat here, likes the drought, and I'm sure it would love a humid, more moist climate because plants tend to like that even more. So really, it's a no-fail plant to grow. So if you want something that's a nice bright blue, go for it. Okay, it's been fun to overwinter, and I can keep doing this year after year, and it saves me money. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.